Metabolic Makeover. Kickstart your journey to reverse metabolic syndrome. Hey you! Stop now! What's stopping you from living your healthiest life? Imagine feeling energized, shedding stubborn weight, lowering your risk of heart disease, and saying goodbye to constant inflammation. What if it all started with a few simple, science-backed changes to defeat metabolic syndrome once and for all? Let's dive into the secrets that could transform your health, starting today. Metabolic syndrome. A cluster of conditions that includes abdominal obesity, high blood pressure, elevated blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol levels, is a major roadblock to achieving optimal health. Left unmanaged, it significantly increases your risk for diabetes, heart disease, and stroke. Fortunately, there are powerful strategies involving key nutrients and lifestyle adjustments that can help combat metabolic syndrome and restore balance to your body. Below, we'll explore the role of targeted nutrients such as omega-3s, magnesium, curcumin, soluble fiber, green tea extract, polyphenols, alpha-lipoic acid, and resveratrol in supporting a healthy metabolism and reversing this condition. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as chia seeds and walnuts, are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. They improve triglyceride levels, boost HDL good cholesterol, and fight insulin resistance, a key driver of metabolic syndrome. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation in blood vessels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Supplementing or eating omega-3 rich foods can jumpstart your journey to better metabolic health. Magnesium. Magnesium is a crucial mineral for regulating blood sugar, supporting insulin function, and boosting cellular energy production. Deficiencies in magnesium are common among those with metabolic syndrome, exacerbating insulin resistance and increasing complications. Found in foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and beans, magnesium helps lower blood sugar levels, reduce systemic inflammation, and improve nervous and cardiovascular function. With magnesium on your side, you can tackle metabolic syndrome head-on. Curcumin. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It reduces oxidative stress, a key contributor to metabolic syndrome, and has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Regular consumption of curcumin can also support weight loss and reduce visceral fat, two critical factors in managing metabolic syndrome. Soluble fiber. Found in foods like oats, beans, and flax seeds, soluble fiber is a game-changer for metabolic health. It slows glucose absorption, promoting stable blood sugar levels and improving cholesterol profiles by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol. Additionally, soluble fiber supports weight loss by increasing satiety and preventing overeating. Green tea extract. Green tea extract, rich in catechins like EGCG, boosts metabolism and promotes fat oxidation, making it an excellent addition to any metabolic syndrome strategy. It helps regulate blood sugar and blood pressure while also reducing abdominal fat, a hallmark feature of the condition. Polyphenols. These plant-based antioxidants, found in berries, citrus fruits, dark chocolate, and red wine, in moderation, help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Polyphenols protect against insulin resistance and enhance blood vessel health, lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. ALA is a natural antioxidant that improves insulin sensitivity and aids in glucose metabolism. Found in spinach, broccoli, and tomatoes, or taken as a supplement, ALA combats oxidative stress associated with high blood sugar levels and supports overall metabolic function. Resveratrol. Resveratrol, a polyphenol found in red grapes, peanuts, and berries, offers multiple benefits for metabolic health. It improves insulin sensitivity, promotes heart health by reducing arterial stiffness, and fights inflammation. Including resveratrol-rich foods in your diet can offer a protective shield against the harmful effects of metabolic syndrome. Reversing metabolic syndrome is not only possible but attainable with the right tools and knowledge. Omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, curcumin, soluble fiber, green tea extract, polyphenols, alpha-lipoic acid, and resveratrol are key allies in your quest for better health. By incorporating these nutrients into your diet, either through whole foods or supplements under medical supervision, with regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep, you'll be well on your way to reclaiming control over your metabolism. Ready to take control of your metabolic health? Don't wait. It's time to start your journey. Share this guide with someone else who might need it, and let the ripple effect of better health spread. Hit that like button if you're ready to take control of your health. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips to unlock your healthiest you. And share this video to spread the powerful secrets of better metabolic health. Your transformation starts right here. Together, we can defeat metabolic syndrome and embrace the vibrant life we all deserve. Don't just read, act. Your healthier future starts today.